when you walk into Lowe's garden center and you find, yes, fruit trees. I will take 2 of everything. This is amazing. Yes, avocados, pears, cherries, mangoes. I'm in heaven. Apples, limes, orange trees, everything that a girl needs and wants in her backyard garden. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. And keep gardening, keep planting those seeds.
That's a avocado. That's a purple avocado. That's a Mexican avocado.
So I'm just packing them as tight as I can.